Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Nokia keypad mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to use Nokia keypad mobile video setting, how to start video in Nokia keypad mobile, and how to record video in Nokia keypad mobile. One by one, step by step we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel. First of all guys, open your Nokia keypad mobile camera. After turn on camera, friends, you can see this type interface in your Nokia keypad mobile. Friends, in your Nokia keypad mobile, click here right button and you can use your video settings. So friends, you can see video timing will show on your screen. So friends, you want to use Nokia keypad mobile camera setting, video setting you want to use, so you can select your video and you can start video in your Nokia keypad mobile. So friends, for any example, I will use my phone cover. Friends, now I will record video. So friends, press your OK button. Your video will start in Nokia keypad mobile. Friends, you want to pause video, press OK button. Video will pause. Again you want to continue, again click here, video will continue. Friends, you can check video timing 60 seconds, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now friends, I will off video, I will save video. Friends, if you click here 3 left key, you can share video, you can delete video. So friends, now we will save video back. Open your phone gallery. After on gallery friends, you can check your video, 20-second video you can check here. Click here, you can check your video. So like that friends, you can use Nokia keypad mobile camera setting and you can use video setting. You can on video in your Nokia keypad mobile, you can make video in Nokia keypad mobile. You can share video, you can delete video, you can check your video detail, you can check friends, you can see video length, you can check your 20-second. Last option, rename option, you want to rename your video, so you can rename your video. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. If you have any problem in Nokia keypad mobile video setting, camera setting, so friends, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.